Hi, this is Jason from the QuickBooks team. When you migrate your clients from QuickBooks Desktop to QuickBooks Online, you can migrate their company files one at a time or in a batch. Let's go over how to migrate multiple clients to QuickBooks Online in a batch. To complete this process, you must have a QuickBooks Online Accountant account. Your client must have a QuickBooks Online account, and you must be an accountant or admin type user on their account. If you want to learn more about how your client can set you up as an accountant in their company, check out this video. First, select Company. Migrate multiple company files to QuickBooks Online. Note that if you use Enterprise, you'll press Ctrl, Q, and T on your keyboard to start this process. It's important to remember that even after you export your client's info, you can always refer back to their existing QuickBooks Desktop company files at any time. This process doesn't do anything to make that data go away. To add the currently open company file to your migration, select Add. QuickBooks lists the company as selected for migration. To add more companies, select Add another company file. QuickBooks lists your recently opened files. If you don't see a company you want to migrate, select Open or Restore an existing company and select it. Double-click a company to add it to the migration list. Then select Add. If you change your mind about migrating a company to QuickBooks Online, select the trash can. You can also close the window and come back later if you need a break. QuickBooks saves your work, so you can resume the process whenever you get back to it. When you've added all the companies you want to migrate, select Open Migration Dashboard. Sign into your QuickBooks Online Accountant account. You'll see all the files you've selected here. If you need to add more, select Add More Files. Next to each company you're migrating, select the QuickBooks Online company you're migrating their info to. If you don't see a company, you can choose it from the drop-down menu, or create a new company in QuickBooks Online. You'll also see info about their preferences and whether or not the company is ready to migrate. If a file cannot migrate, you'll see a link to help you connect to an expert who can help you resolve the problem. You could also try migrating to a different company. You can migrate individual companies, or select Migrate Selected Companies to migrate them all. If migration fails, you'll receive a notice along with a message about the error, and you'll see a link to contact support that can help you resolve the problem. If everything migrated, you can use this link to open the QuickBooks Online company. Note that depending on the size of the company file you migrated, it can take a few minutes for QuickBooks to complete the migration. Check out this video for tips on how to get around QuickBooks Online and more steps to take after the migration.